Today we're here with Seibo Shen, who's both the founder of VapeXhale as well as CannAthlete. Welcome.
Thank you.
So with CannAthlete, you often work with extreme athletes and cannabis. But for somebody like myself who does yoga, is it appropriate for me to introduce cannabis into my workout regime?
You know, that's a really great question. And if we go back to cannabis helping athletes improve their focus, I know that for, let's just say myself, when I first started doing yoga, I'm a highly competitive person. I would look at everybody else and go, oh, she's lower than me, or she's doing this stretch, better than me. And I would often find myself comparing myself to other students, or just thinking about all the other tasks that I have to do after the yoga class. So for someone like yourself, by consuming cannabis before going to yoga, it could help you improve your focus, really have that stronger mind-body connection so that you could really feel the stretch. And I also found that because breathing is such a big part of yoga, I am very conscious and aware of my breath when I'm breathing too quickly or too slowly. And by being conscious of my breath, I am able to utilize that to further relax myself. And that's how I think you could really incorporate cannabis into your yoga routine.
Thank you so much for that answer.
You're welcome.